So ang halimbawa dito sa statement sa ating coherence theory is a statement that states that bachelors are unmarried men. So pag sinabi nating bachelor, these are mga lalaki na wala pang asawa. So in order to understand or to know that this statement is true, so i-compare natin ngayon yung mga tao, yung mga bachelor, yung mga lalaki na binata from a larger group of mga kalalakihan. So, sa larger group na yon may mga lalaking may asawa na, may mga lalaking mga bata pa, tas mga lalaking binata. So, that would be the basis of our comparison in order to test that that bachelors are indeed unmarried men. Another example is cats are animals, or yung mga pusa daw ay halimbawa ng animals. So in order to test whether the statement is true, so i-compare natin ngayon ang mga pusa sa malaking grupo ng iba't ibang uri ng animals. So yun ang mga halimbawa ng coherence theory. So we'll proceed to another theory, which is the pragmatist theory. So dito naman sa pragmatist theory, it states that a belief or a statement is true if it has a useful application in the world. Kung ito ba ay magagamit or beneficial, ito ba ay may pakinabang sa nakakarami, then this is true. Ang statement ay true. Kung hindi ang statement na ito ay hindi totoo or hindi napapakinabangan ng karamihan, then the statement is false. So we can in addition, we can know whether a belief or a statement is true by examining the consequences of holding or accepting the statement or belief to be true. For the philosopher Austin Klein, truth that is based on what works is very ambiguous. Malabo daw kapag this is a negative statement from Austin Klein regarding the pragmatist theory. In this sense, Klein argues that when a belief works, it is more appropriate to call it useful rather than true. So kapag yun daw ang ating premise, kapag ginamit natin yung pragmatist theory, sabi ni Austin Klein, ang magandang gawin daw natin, ang magandang sabihin ay the statement is useful, hindi yung the statement is true. Okay? Medyo kontra si Austin Klein sa pragmatist theory in validating truth. A belief that is useful is not necessarily true, and in normal conversation, people do not typically use the word true to mean useful. So, hindi daw pareho. According to Austin Klein, hindi pareho ang meaning ng true at ng useful. In sum, we can know if the statement's beliefs are true if we look at each statement and determine if they correspond to facts, cohere with the rules of the system, and result into useful application. So itong correspond to facts, that is correspondence theory. Cohere with the rules of the system, it is coherence theory. And result into useful application, that is pragmatist theory. Now, answer the following in your yellow paper. Think and share. Number 1, what are the ways to validate one's knowledge? Number 2, how can you differentiate truth from opinion? Number 3, describe the 3 theories of truth. Okay? So let's have a self-check. How do you feel when you heard an opinion about you? Yan. Ano ba ang nararamdaman mo kapag ikaw ay nakarinig ng opinion tungkol sa iyong sarili? What would be the answer to this question? If you would ask me, it would depend whether the opinion is positive or negative on my part. If it's positive, I will feel good. If it's a negative, on the other hand, well, I will feel. Of course, you will feel bad about the opinion. Okay, let's answer the following. Identify the theory of truth used in the statement. There is, for number 1, there is a water fountain in front of the cultural center of the Philippines. Is it correspondence? Is it coherence? Or is it pragmatist? The answer is correspondence. You have to use your senses in order to to check whether it's true. Number 2, bachelors are unmarried men. The answer here would be coherence. Napaliwanag ko na kanina. Number 3, the sun shines brightly today. Ano kaya sagot? This is correspondence. You'll have to use your senses, your sense of seeing in order to answer this question, or in order to determine the theory in this number. Number 4, a dream board is necessary for dreams to come true. The answer is pragmatic theory. Useful. Yan, di ba? Pag pragmatic theory, kailangan may usefulness ang isang bagay. Number 5, what is more important to me at this time is my family. This will be pragmatic, usefulness. Number 6, a wooden table is a solid object. Ano kaya ito? The answer is correspondence. Number 7, ghosts and vampires exist. The answer is pragmatic theory. Number 8, 2 plus 2 equals 4. The answer is coherence theory. Number 9, cats are animals. The answer is, paliwanag ko na kanina, coherence theory. Number 10, the sky is blue. Ayan, gagamitin mo ang senses mo dito. The answer would be correspondence theory. Remember, class, pursuit of philosophy follows the path of truth. And for your home-based activity, have an advanced reading about the methods of philosophizing. So I'll be sending the next modules for you to have your advanced reading. But be reminded that we have activities here for you to submit next meeting. Again, that's about here, think and share. Okay, so you have to enumerate the ways to validate one's knowledge, and how can you differentiate truth from opinion, and number 3, describe 3 theories of truth. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, class.